Chick-fil-A sandwich at home at half the price. We're going to start off with our sauce. You're going to need apple cider vinegar, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, yellow mustard, unsmoked but sweet barbecue sauce, and honey. Start off with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, then add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and then you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of your barbecue sauce. You give that a nice mix. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. And give that another good mix and put it in the fridge until we're ready to assemble the sandwich. Now I've got 1 boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've cut in half. And I got about 1.5 cups of pickle juice that I've saved. Yes, pickle juice. We're going to put the pickle juice in the Ziploc bag. And then put our chicken in there and let that sit in that pickle juice for a good hour. And while that's in there, if I could ask you to please hit the subscribe button, like, and share our channel. Help us grow. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, we're going to do about 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour, about 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and here's the kicker: 1 good tablespoon of powdered sugar. And mix that up nice. All right, now I took out the pickle juice, I put the chicken back in the bag, and I'll pound it down a little flatter. And we got a few eggs scrambled. So we're going to go dry, wet, and then dry. Make sure everything gets nice and coated nice. And while this was going on, I've got my cast iron skillet with some canola oil in it that I'm heating to 350 degrees. So once we get our chicken completely coated, we'll move on to the frying pan. And again, always lay the chicken or whatever you're frying away from you. Now this will fry about 3 minutes each side. You get it nice and brown and crispy. And then we'll remove it and we'll put it on a wire rack to drain the excess oil. And then we're going to assemble the sandwich. You're going to go with hamburger bun, put our sauce on, and I've got some dill pickles that I've sliced thinly, and I'll layer those on the bottom. And then our piece of chicken. And then the top. And you've got yourself a delicious Chick-fil-A sandwich that you made at home for half the price and with a real nice big piece of chicken on there. All right, I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you keep coming back for more. Thank you very much.